Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Y'all, I bought it. There's a fly. Excuse me, there's a fly. I bought the viral TikTok spin scrubber. Well, a version of it. This is it. I actually got it, you guys. It's on Amazon as well. I bought it from Amazon simply because I don't trust the TikTok shop at the moment. So this is the Pro 2 version. It has 2 speeds that it's supposed to run. So it is a lifetime warranty. Let's see what it says. 18 watts, so it's rechargeable. It's not corded, it's cordless, which is really nice. So, yeah, this is it. Let's just get into it. This is an unboxing. I can't wait to try it. You guys, I've been thinking about this product for a couple weeks. Been seeing it all over social media. And I have been on really a cleaning spree. And I was like, oh, I don't know if I need it. And there have been so many times where I've been cleaning on my hands and knees, scrubbing a floor, or in like a shower, scrubbing, bent over. And I was like, yeah, I actually would use this if I had it. So I decided, all right, I'm going to use it. I know I'm going to use it. So this is it. This is it. This is what it looks like. Excuse the fly. I have been chasing that fly around and it's mocking me now. Okay, so you are to register your purchase within 15 days to get your lifetime warranty. There's a QR code or a website. So that's nice. Let's see, 100% satisfaction guarantee for any product issue. We provide you with a new replacement or a refund. What does our lifetime warranty cover? Not working, a slow speed, doesn't charge, short battery life, or the cleaning brush is poor. Now, I'm not sure what they mean by that, because the cleaning brushes, you can get replacements for off Amazon as well. So, all right, we've got a little literature here. So like I said, this is the spin scrubber. Their model number for them is the KS2629. This is supposed to be the Pro 2, is how it's listed on Amazon. So, all right, one of the scrubber heads. Another scrubber head. There's actually 2 right here. So this is for like getting into corners. This is for smaller spaces. Like I said, you can buy replacement heads, and they do have another head that is available that you can use for doing like windows, your car, you know, more, you know, delicate things. So that's nice. All right. We got the charging cord and plug. Now, from the reports off all the little videos I've seen, is it comes with a partial charge. So that's interesting. This is supposed to be the hanger. You're supposed to be able to hang it over the towel bar so you can keep it in your bathroom. Now, I don't know anybody that wants to have like a mop or anything hanging in their bathroom, but you could obviously put this over like in a closet, you know, to be able to kind of tuck it out of the way, maybe a pantry. So that's the little hanger. All right. Ooh, here's another scrubber. Another one of the heads. So that's 4, and here's the product. All right, so this is part of it. It does come, it's extendable, so it comes with a little attachment to extend it. 2 pieces. Just trying to be gentle and not make a mess. The fly is mocking me. There's one right there. And the other piece here, we're gonna set that right there. All right, so I'm pretty excited about this, you guys. After literally like on my hands and knees a bunch this weekend, or in like the shower area, kind of like all crumpled up, trying to get in and scrub stuff, I'm like, it's time. So this is it. So you can tilt it. This one does tilt. Oh, I'm so excited. Set these bags out of the way. Here's the other one. So this looks like the power. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So we're going to start putting this all together. Is it gonna snap? Oh, there it goes. Makes that nice snap. Okay, so this is how you can basically interchange the size on it. So the power thing is going to be on here. So you could eliminate and not use this if you were not wanting to be in like have such an extension on it. And then this can go into here. There we go. So, all right. Two speeds. I love it. Okay. That is so cool. I just hope it works. So let's go ahead and attach one of the heads. All right. So this is how the attachment looks, or the head, and then the actual attachment. So I think I'm going to go ahead and eliminate that center spot or center piece, just because this is really cumbersome to try to do while you guys are on. I'm doing this on camera. So we're going to use the power piece and the head. Do that. And I'm going to choose that one here. So you can kind of see these little ends. You just line those up. It's pretty easy. I mean, I haven't even read the directions and I'm figuring this out, no problem. Okay. That looks awesome. I'm going to go ahead and tilt it. Ooh. Multiple angles. How cool is that? Nice. So you can get a full 90 degrees or you can get a 45-degree angle. I like that a lot. Okay. Now you're supposed to be able to push on it and it won't stop. Oh yeah, not at all. Ooh, it's got power. All right, y'all, I'm going to try it. I'm going to use it a lot, and fingers crossed that this is as nice as everybody has been saying that it is. We'll see, but I'm pretty pumped. I don't know how long the battery charge that it comes with is going to be good for, but I'll use it tonight for a little bit and just probably plug it in. There is the bottom, I believe, is where the charging is. Yeah, there's the port where you plug it in. So nice little seal to keep that from getting wet. Anyway, I'm really excited, you guys. I have a very sore back from literally doing all the cleaning I was doing this weekend. I really hope that this is going to make my life a little bit easier. I will probably go in and order another replacement headset fairly soon, but not right away. This is really nice. Like I said, you can get in the corners of like showers or bathtubs or, you know, sinks, or like maybe you're doing like a bathroom floor and you want to get in the corner, or in your like oven, because you can probably pretty easily use this to clean your oven with use a little oven cleaner, let that marinate, wipe that out, maybe use a little Dawn power detergent and really scrub. Let this do all the scrubbing so that you're not bent over and hurting yourself trying to scrub your oven out. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. Have you seen all the videos? I have seen all the videos, and wasn't really convinced for kind of a long time, but I started seeing different people making more videos on it, and I thought, well, I'm going to be in on one of them. So I'll let you guys know in a follow-up video what I think of this after I use it. Like I said, I did not order it through the TikTok shop. I did get it through Amazon. I'm a Prime member. It is cheaper through the TikTok shop. However, it makes me really nervous to put my payment information through. There's been so much negativity about TikTok in the news. I just decided, if I don't like this, I can always return it, you know, within the window on Amazon Prime. If I find that it stops and it doesn't have the power they say it does, I would definitely return it. So we will see. I will do a follow-up video and let you guys know, but thanks for hanging out with me and checking it out. I will link the product information down below. Is linked in my Amazon shop. All of their scrub brushes, they have 3 versions of this. And they all have a little bit different features on them, so you can kind of figure out which one you want, but they're all in my Amazon shop as well. So if you want to shop for this through Amazon, I would love it if you would support my channel by just clicking through those links. Doesn't cost you a penny extra, not at all. So let me know if you got questions, guys. I appreciate your time so much. I hope you have a great day and great week. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.